Okay, let's go.
Amo natin ko ano? Makataro?
Okay,
Sa ulit pa siya ano?
we are going to the Marcos Island for the cliff dive.
Diving.
That is the last program in our agenda today. Marcos Island.
Diving. This way. Hey, partner.
Wow, we're here. This side? I'll jump. Thank you. So I don't know how the thing's going to work right now. They're trying. It's beautiful, but too much wavy. Lucky enough, today we have sunlight. Oh. Hello. This is the one, cave jump. It says, no life vest, no cliff jump. That's what it's saying. It's very deep. Nobody here. You can see a lot of bats over here. So many bats. Look at the cave. So much of bats. So much of bats over here. Look at that. It is a bat cave. Even though you jump, you go outside. I don't know how you come over here. If you jump, you cannot climb up. You have to go outside. That's the situation. Wow. It's quite a big cave. I didn't expect this much big. Seriously, it's quite a big cave. So this is the first step for the cliff jump. You have a second step over there. After you jump in the water, you need to swim at least 100 meters to reach the beach outside. And one more thing, today the sea a little bit rough. It is going to be hard to swim and reach the beach. So I'm checking my exit strategy. It'll be like that. So you can do it. Okay, let's do it. Now the time 3:51. Nobody here. Jumping is not a big deal. Here he goes. Nothing. Okay. One, two, three. Okay. Woo. Look, beautiful. Wow. Fantastic. Look at it. Wow. Lovely. Fantastic. Okay, let's go. Whew. Wow! Fantastic! Wow! If you like this video, please like and comment below. And subscribe to my YouTube channel, would be awesome. Thank you. Wow! Jumping in the cave, actually it is not that scary, but after jump, reaching the shore, the beach, takes a lot of effort. Since I already used my energy everywhere, this is the last place, I already drained down. It is very hard for me to come back to the beach again. But the jumping is very nice experience. It is a bat cave, you can see a lot of bats over there. I highly recommend for everyone. If you like this video so far, please like and comment below. And subscribe to my YouTube channel would be awesome. I'll see you guys in another video soon. Thank you. Bye bye. Mwah. Look at the waves. Beautiful waves. Wow. Seriously nice. Nice waves. Okay. I can come. It's okay. It's too. Yeah, secure. Yeah. That is secure already. Wow. What a beautiful day today.